Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Edu for You. This is Harika. Today in this video we are going to discuss about trees concept in data structures. Thank you all for subscribing my channel. Please watch until the last minute because it gains the knowledge about overall knowledge about the trees. And please subscribe my channel if you are watching the first time for the first time. Thank you all. Let's get started our actual video. Trees. Actually, in previous concept we discussed about the linear data structures like arrays, stacks, queues, etc. But now we are going to discuss about the trees. Previous chapters and previous videos we have learned only about the linear data structures such as the arrays and stacks, queues, linked list, etc. But now we are moving to the trees. And trees and graphs are the two-dimensional in structure, but they are non-linear data structures. Now we are moving to the introduction to trees. First of all, we have to know what is meant by tree. A tree is a finite set of one or more nodes. And here a node is refers to a first node is refers to a root. First node is refers to a root. But remaining nodes T1, T2, T3 and so on, Tt, small t. And these are nothing but the disjoint sets. These are nothing but the disjoint sets where t is greater than or equal to 0. And we can know that trees are often used in the everyday life to represent the hierarchical relation between the elements. For example, we can say that real-time example, hierarchical relationship. Hierarchical relationship. And tree is also in tree data structure will connect the one or more nodes by using path that in degree, and those can be represented by the degree of a node. Each branch is associated with the another node. So we have to know some terminologies over here. Those terminologies are the degree of a node, branch, in degree, out degree, leaf node or terminal nodes. Leaf nodes are nothing but the terminal nodes. And again, internal nodes are non-terminal nodes. These terms we have to know here. Okay, first of all, degree of the node. The number of branches which are associated with the node is nothing but the degree of the node. A branch which is coming to the node is nothing but the in degree. And branch which is going outside the node is called out degree. And leaf node is nothing but the out degree. If an out degree is 0, out degree equal to 0, then that is called the leaf node. If all the nodes other than the root or leaf nodes are called internal nodes or non-terminal nodes because they have the out degree, they doesn't represent the out degree like 0. So for example, we can represent the tree as like this, normal tree as like this. We have lots and lots of branches. These branches can be associated with the other nodes. Let us consider B, C, D, E, and we'll have the subtrees. This is also a root in the subtree, and this root have some nodes like this. We can place only one node also over here, or else 2 nodes or 3 nodes. I, J, K. I am not placing any nodes to this. and we can place number of nodes to the subtrees also. This is the main tree. A is the root node over here, and in root node we are associated with the sub branches. In subtrees we have this is one more subtree, this is another subtree, this is another subtree, this is another more subtree. In this way we can represent the overall tree structure, or else we can represent it by using linked list by like this. If we are using linked list, we can represent like this. That is B. Links can be placed like this. F, G, C, H, D. For D we are giving like this nodes. I, J, and again one more link, K. This is E. We can see like this. In this way we can represent the trees. In another video we can discuss about what is meant by binary tree and what is meant by binary search tree, etc. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell icon.